Welcome back. We're in the shop again. Gotta get this one apart. We already have the cams off, valve covers. Next step, we'll do the head and then see how it looks like on the inside. We might also gonna roll it over, pull off the oil pan and all of that, just to see what really happened in there. And then we'll take it from there. On another note, I hope you're all fine. You still stay at home due to COVID-19. It's getting better out here. First stores have reopened here in Switzerland. I hope it's getting better in your area too. I don't think we are through the worst if we look at it on a worldwide scale, but we'll get there. We'll pull through it and we'll get out this stronger and better, especially our cars. So let's get to work. Alright, so we got the head off, as you can see. Get some light in here. Looks okay in here. Some parts you can still see the cross groove from the honing process. Now down there's, I don't know, some rust in there because it was sitting quite a while, but polish might do. But problem is I can't turn it. If I attach the big wrench to here, I can't turn the engine. As you can see, nothing is happening. So yeah, I think the crankshaft is frozen up to the block. We'll see when we turn it over and take off the oil pans. But the head looks quite alright. Has a nice port to it on the intake side. Small port on the exhaust side. So this one, I'll show you from underneath. Not sure if you can see anything, but this looks quite alright. Give it a clean, and this one should be good to go for someone who has a 1J non-VVTi engine or just needs a 1J non-VVTi head. This one basically good to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these back on. We're gonna have the camshafts on the side in case somebody wants to pick them. The covers will be extra, but we'll see. You know, it's always good to have spares for our clients so they can come and pick it up whenever they need one ASAP, so we don't have to order something from Japan. So yeah, let's put some more work into this one and we'll see what happens. Come check this out. I think this is not what it's supposed to be. I don't think the oil should be looking like this. So there was some water getting in there, which kind of kills the oil. So we'll have to see where it came from. Let's turn it over a bit more so we can get this stuff out of the system faster. Looks fucking gross. So we got the lower oil pan off. It's fucking bad side. As you can see here on the magnet, there's a lot of metal. You can see here in the filter, there's like all the shiny stuff. There's so much shit in there. And in the lower oil pan, see all around here, that's all metal debris. So I'm pretty sure Conrad bearing is pretty fucked in there. We'll see. But I also noticed the guys who assembled it, they really went hard on the gasket shit. There's so much stuff in there, especially to the inside. It's not that much of a problem if it's sticking out to the outside, but it's, to my tasting, it's way too much, because that shit falls off on the inside of the engine, goes into the oiling system wherever, and can clog it up. So that might have been a problem. I don't know. Still have to disassemble it further. Yeah, we'll see. So we got both oil pans off, the upper and the lower. All looks decent so far, but I guess the horror story will come up, I think, somewhere underneath. If not there, then it might be in here somewhere. From here I can't see any of the bearings like really pushed out, but I'm sure we'll see it. First I want to take off the oil pump up here, but I gotta get a decent puller for this one. I have to put in 2 screws here so we can pull this one out. Might have to borrow one. So then we'll get that one off. Then, yeah, we're gonna pull the crank, take off all the caps, and see how it looks. If it's still something is reusable or not. Yeah, over here we got the upper oil pan, front sump. There's a lot of gum in there, everywhere. As you can see here. Yeah, not a happy sight, especially stuff like this. Not sure if you can see it. There's big chunks of metal in there. Yeah. So yeah, that was it for today. I gotta jump. I got somewhere else to be right now. Yeah, we'll continue on this engine, see what it do, see what happened. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. If you don't, comment anyway. Hit the subscribe button, which will pop up in a minute up here. And I hope to see you soon. Stay safe. And for now, bye bye.